Seriously, you do not want to miss this. Before you scroll away, hit the link in the description. Trust me, you will absolutely thank me later. Now, let me tell you why this product has been blowing up everywhere. People aren't just talking about it because of hype. They're talking about it because it actually delivers results. The performance is incredibly smooth, the build quality feels premium, and it's designed so well that literally anyone can use it without needing a learning curve. What really surprised me is how consistent it is. Most things online look good at first but fall apart when you try them yourself. But this one, it just works. And not only that, it works better than expected. If you've been searching for something that's reliable, simple, and worth every second of your time, then this is exactly what you need. Go ahead, click the link, check it out. Seriously, you do not want to miss this. Before you scroll away, hit the